So today, what's up, people? Freedom of speech, freedom of the press, all that good stuff. But first, I want to say to the nurses and the doctors out there, I tilt my hat to y'all to try to save some of these people's lives. I really do. Even though some of these people in society are straight ignorant, where they don't want to wear masks and stuff, and they don't care about their kids, and neither does the government care about people's kids, or the schools care about people's kids. So today I got some mail from my wife's attorney. I don't know if you can see the name on there. Boy, they some liars. Okay? There are some liars. And I hope the courts don't let them purge this, get away with perjury like this. So they sent me these paperwork of a response about, said spouse maintenance, emergency spouse maintenance, because I need it. All I get is disability, you know? But hold up for 1 second. Let me pause this for 1 second. Hold up.
Let's get rid of the babysitting first. What was your agreement with regard to babysitting for your grandson?
Ms. Nadine and I agree that she will receive a child care from the Department of Social Services.
So when my wife walked out the house, it was on May 7th. When she moved everything out, when she attacked me on May 7th, and I was arrested, okay? On May 7th, 8:45 p.m. She cleaned the whole house out, cleaned everything out. Everything was gone when I got back to the house. Everything was gone, okay? Because I bust her and everything, and she committed adultery, assaulted me so many times and everything, and she got away with it. She got away with it so far, though, so far. So he says that he committed perjury on a legal document that he sent me on my response. I go to court Friday for the divorce. He committed perjury on it, straight perjury to the courts, straight perjury, saying that she left everything valuable of $3,000 in the house. No, she didn't. She didn't leave nothing. Only thing she left was my clothes that she cut up and everything. That's what she left me. Took all the money out of the account and everything else. Then he puts in here that she only makes $4,000 and change a month. That is not true. She has a 401k. She has all of that. So attorneys lie. Attorneys are some damn liars, man. Just like cops are in Minnesota. Attorneys are some fucking liars out here in Minnesota, man. You know, straight liars. Then she goes that I didn't have medical under her employment when I did. Okay? Hold up for a minute. Hold up. I'll be right back. Hold up. Okay, I don't know if y'all could see this, but these was our medical cards. I had to keep this because I made this 1/15/2020. These were our medical cards that she took out of my wallet. That says AutoZone. If y'all could see that, for prescription, eyeglasses, and medications. Okay. The bottom one is for our prescription. Okay. I lost all my medical insurance when I got married, and I've been fighting to get that back, but they said I had to get a divorce. That's the only way. So he lied on that there. The attorney for my wife lied on that there. Okay? Then he also lied to the courts about they've been trying to serve me. They haven't. Know the email address, know the fax number. They know all of that because she knows it all. So here it says she's unable to give me spousal. Wait a minute, telephone. Wait a minute, old phone. Hey, what up, Terry? Yeah.
Okay, so what else did he say? Anything else in there?
Yeah. Okay. He says that Melillo wasn't insured under Margaret Melillo's
Yeah,
health,
show me that.
but I was.
He's on there.
Right. And he took everything out of the house that values $3,000 plus, which is bullshit. Okay.
What?
Yeah, he says which is me, I have possessions of the amount of household goods totaling the amount of $3,000 in value, which is bullshit. Yeah, he could lie his ass. Yeah, he could lie his ass off. Okay, the respondent does not have cash in the amount of $3,000, which she does. Respondent has zero cash in her account, which is Ally Bank, which I knew that's wherever the money's at, but she got more in that bank, and too bad the courts can't subpoena those records. But and respondent does not have a 401k, which she does. She does have a 401k, but the debt that they incurred while they was together, if they can work something out, then it should be worked out. Right. Yeah, I told her she don't want to give me shit. She don't want to give me shit. But that's not happening because everything in here, I'm going to let the courts know this is a bunch of bull. This is all lies right here on this paperwork. All of this is lies. And that's what they submitting to the courts. False testimony to the courts. False testimony to the courts. They're submitting false testimony to the courts. Because she took everything. She took everything out of the house. I didn't get back to the house till like 1 something. Everything was gone. Everything was gone out of the house. There's nothing that she left me $3,000. She didn't leave me nothing. Yeah. He is committing perjury to the courts. Yeah. 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 She's committing perjury. Her attorney is committing perjury to the courts. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. His attorney's lying his ass off. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess we shouldn't be surprised.
No, I'm not surprised. I mean, yeah, it pisses me off, but the first thing I'm gonna ask for is I need an attorney, Your Honor, and I need emergency maintenance now because I cannot afford to let my lights go out or my internet. And I need food. And
So she makes minimum wage, is that what you said?
yeah, that's what she said, but she doesn't. No. She grows for 2019, 98,800 and change is what she grows. For 2019. And that's not even including the mileage that she was paid to go to. Right, what I'm saying. And that's not even including her bonus that she made when she had to go to Wisconsin to work out in Wisconsin.
Well, they're going to have some explaining to do, it sounds like.
Oh, yeah, they're going to have some explaining to do. Because she took everything out of the house. Everything. And remember when we first went to go, remember Terry?
$10 an hour?
Yeah, that's what she's trying to say. Terry, remember when you took me to go look at some places first? And then when we was gone for hours, remember? And then we came back, and I'm like, Margaret's been in the house. And you go, how do you know? And she took the rest of the stuff out of the house. Because the whole shelf of DVDs were all gone. So how you going to say I got $3,000 value of property I don't? Yeah, she took everything out of the house.
Well, sometimes you're all fucked up.
Yeah. Yes. It is. It is fucked up. See? And then he goes in here that I should be responsible for my own bills when she attacked me. Are you crazy? No, she assaulted me. And she got to pay those medical bills.
No, she made me not pay him. Everything's going to be up to the court. But, I will be interested.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Claims that she only got $1,300 in her Ally bank account and the other account is overdrawn. Yeah, the other account's overdrawn because she don't put no money in it no more. And I'm not paying for it. But you know what? They don't put in there. No, they don't put in there when she stole. They don't put in there that she stole my benefit checks. They don't put in there that she stole the stimulus checks. That he don't put in there. Right. When we know that's all a lie. Yep. Yep. And it's not going to happen. But he's asking the courts to make us go to mediation. Yep. Yep.
You have to agree to it. I have to do some only protection. I'm afraid of this color. I want to go to the mediation.
Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, he is. Yeah. Yeah. And so I got a call from the agency that's sending me a nurse, and they told me to make sure I put that in my divorce because she has to pay for it. And so does Social Security. To help me put my legs on. Yep. $150. $150. Yep.
Yeah, I have some damn person for $20 takes $150 and the guy some person for $20.
Yeah, I know. Yep. And Social Security, they already approved it. But they said that since you're going through a divorce, you got to put this in your divorce papers. So that's another thing.
That's true.
That's another thing I got to put in there.
Damn, I swear to God, this is like a crazy shit.
Which is bullshit. Because
God knows how much you're making.
Because it's so stupid what he did, Terry. Because he puts in there her taxes of 2019. Okay? And if you add up the taxes, she made for 2019, she made $98,000. Hold up, because he wrote it down like an idiot. This is how stupid he is. He wrote in her taxes, okay? He got half of everything that he marked out my name on the insurance under her statement for earnings. He crossed my name out. So he's lying right there to the courts where it says spouse. cross my name out on that. Okay, so she attached here the 1040 form for 2019, crossed my name out, but left my social security number, okay? And the total for 2019 that he wrote down comes up to $98,876.14. That was her taxes for 2019. 98,000. Yes. That's why she couldn't put in the renter's rebate. Yeah. Because she made $98,788 and change. And this idiot sends this to the fucking courts. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yeah. And then yeah. And then it says here that, and then it says here on her 401k, which I don't understand, she has in her 401k $1,452.99. That don't make no sense. Yeah, $1,452.99. Yeah. You know what he has in here too? He has in here our July, which that don't make no sense, Terry, because he's just busting himself. He has in here her July quarter bonus. Quarterly bonus for July. He has in here for July quarterly bonus $5,613.24. That went into her account on July 5th, 2020. Wow. Yeah. But I think he made a mistake to show that to the courts. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh my God, boy, are they lying too? Because, okay, remember when I told you before that her check used to be $2,453 and change. Then she told me that they had to take $1,000 out for something at her job. That's why it was only $1,453. And I'm like, what do you mean? They gotta take $1,000 out from your check. Well, they gotta do that for a year. Oh, okay. And I went for the bullshit. Meanwhile, she was stashing money.
So why are you taking it out?
I never got the part to ask no more because that's when we got into the argument. When she attacked me on May 7th. Yup, Friday. Friday.
Okay. What time?
1 o'clock. I'm telling you, you gotta be subpoenaed. Your ass is getting subpoenaed. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now.
I don't observe it going to trial, so I don't worry about it too much.
I mean, this is fucking insane. He's like lying to the courts. All he did was send a response back. That's all he did. No affidavit, no nothing. Just a response to mine, his answers. Just got his answers, and that's it. Didn't get nothing else. There's letter to what firm he's from, his answer, and the introduction letter of his law firm, his answer, and Mimi's check stubs. That's it. How many pages on the answer? For just us, because there's no kids, just me, no kids, okay. He puts in there about my social security, 1, 2, just 2 pages and a half. Yeah. Yeah, no, okay, it only goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's just it. It's 2.5 pages, and he got something written on that I should be denied about maintenance, spousal maintenance. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing that was in there. Yeah. Well, there's the pages go all the way to 7, but he only has a notice of verification on the 16th of July, subpoena, and sworn in on the 16th of July. So he said he signed this for verification on the 16th of July, and yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, he only got, okay, he has one, okay, he has our name and everything, and he has the answer, okay? And the rest is about child support and all that, which I don't have, that's page 2. Page 3, he has about respondent's gross income, health coverage, spouse maintenance, about the vehicle, cash, accounts, respondent has no cash, and the amount of $3,000 that she does. Household maintenance, there's nothing there. Property, no, nothing there. Retirement plan, I think that she doesn't have a 401k, but she does. Debt, he has marked. Yeah, that's all he did. Well, that's his response. That's his answer. He got to that. Yeah. Yep. No, and then so no 36 pages. And the rest. There's no page for the signature on this markers. Just markers signatures on the page. one. No, the fact that she answered the response on July 16th. Seven. No, only mothers. No. The only thing that came was a head letter with his name on it, the attorney's name on it. That's it. What the law firm it is, that's it. Then what else was in there was taxes, 2019 taxes, and her pay stubs. Yep. Nope, it doesn't. Yeah. Yeah. And so he says that I have all of the money I don't. Because I'll give you. Yeah. He says I got 5,000 in change that she left. Now for me, she didn't. Yeah, that's what she claims. Yeah, he's stupid. He's so stupid, he put the total amount of money that she made for 2019. What her gross was for 2019. Tight. All tight. He doesn't have it in there. Oh, but that he wants to go to mediation? That's on. All right. All right. Bye. Okay, sorry about that, but I had to take this call. My phone, I got a small phone, original phone. So I was talking about the answers that my wife's attorney did not know that she had an attorney until the 15th of this month when he called me, got all nasty and smart with me. Okay, so anyway, it's amazing how the courts let these attorneys lie to them, commit perjury on a legal document and everything. I'm reading this stuff and I'm like, what are you talking about? She makes minimum wages. She doesn't make minimum wages. How the hell can somebody make minimum wages and they made $98,000? Listen, $98,700 and something for 2019. How is that minimum wages? And she got a salary raise, so now she makes $145,000 a year with a company car. So how is the minimum wages? Boy, they lying to the courts. So I like this part here where the idiot says about my disability, which he's writing in there that he doesn't know nothing about my medical conditions. I'll sue his ass on that there. That's for sure. Okay, because he doesn't know nothing about my medical condition. Okay, but this is what gets me right here. Respondent only grosses $4,260.62 per month, which is a lie. Her check used to be $2,453. Then she said AutoZone had to take $1,000 out for a year out of a paycheck. Okay? So all of this right here that they got here is a bogus lie. And saying that she cannot afford spouse maintenance. I only get disability. We've been married 18 years and 5 months. She left. Called the police on me after she beat my ass again, and I got locked up. Okay, even though she didn't go to jail or nothing when she was supposed to have been arrested on January 6th for intentionally trying to give me AIDS. Okay, intentionally tried to give me AIDS, and I had to take this medicine for so long, and all it did was make me sicker. All right, but they saying that's okay. That's what they saying. She already took the Chevy out of my name, which she committed fraud at DMV. Committed fraud at DMV by removing my name off the title. She retitled the car and relicensed the car, re-registered the car in her name only. Okay, that's another lie that her attorney is presenting to the courts, which is perjury on a legal document, from this punk. Okay, that's why I'm asking for an attorney. Because we'll get to the bottom of all of this, all right? But yet, she's going to have to pay for my nurse to come see me every day now, because I'm submitting that to the courts, because that's a bill of $150 for my nurse to come and see me every day. Okay? So she got this. She signed this, is her signature. They crossed the signature out. One says 515, the other one says 16. So he made a 5 into a 6. Wow. He made a 5 into a 6. Wow, this attorney's law firm is a crooks, man. They are straight purging the courts. But mine's right here, 716. Wow. Well, I got to deal with this Friday. Hope everything go well. But for Court TV, I don't know that lady's name. The way y'all putting Johnny Depp down is wrong. Women lie to get out of relationships. Women lie to get out of marriages. My wife, going to be ex-wife, assaulted me, hurt me bad. Ever since she started drinking and smoking weed again, okay? She has committed adultery. She has filed false documents on me for spousal abuse. This is why I'm fighting that in court. I will fight that to clear my name. I am not a wife beater. That I am not. I will clear my name. I ain't got the money you got, Johnny Depp. I ain't got that kind of money you got. But understand, for Court TV, that lady that says something, yes, the rules are different in the United States because people could get away with perjury. That's the bad part about it. They can walk in the courthouse and lie their asses off and get away with it. And the courts don't care. Okay? That's wrong. My wife has committed not only perjury, but fraud, assault, attempted murder up on my life. I'm disabled, and nobody's out there protecting me. But all she has to say is she's been abused, which she never was abused by me. I have never abused no woman in my life. That's the part that pisses me off. So now I got to fight for my honor and the right to get this done right. It is a shame that the courts should let people get away with stuff like this just to get out of a marriage or a relationship. I don't care about all the women getting abused, all the men getting abused. I care about myself. It is wrong to file false charges of false restraining order when you got busted laying in the middle of the bed butt naked, showing your body to another man, and you say he's just a friend. I walked out the house. She come running, attacked me. I left. So all of this, I'm hoping they go ahead and charge me with this, do what they want to do so we can get this to trial. This got to go to trial to prove my innocence. And anybody that goes up that she brings as a so-called witness, we will demand for perjury charges to be filed on you. That we will demand, because it's a law in the state of Minnesota of perjury. There is a law of perjury in the state of Minnesota. And we will demand for y'all to be charged with perjury. But it's a shame how you bust your woman or your man and they go through those lengths to get rid of a person. It is a shame that they use the court system as their own personal shield. It's wrong. It's wrong. I got strong on Rob with a deputy with a badge, and my wife was the accomplice. These are the medical cards that she stole out of my wallet. $200 cash. So all the evidence I got will be presented Friday. Will be presented Friday to the courts. Not her punk ass attorney. Because he's lied. He lied on his response to me. He lied on his answer to me. He lied big time. Everything in here is a lie. Everything in here is a lie. And our taxes will prove. You get a person up in there to add it up, it'll show she made it for 2019, $98,800 and something dollars that she grossed for 2019. And this attorney's office lied for my wife. Lied. I'm not going to mediation. I'm terrified of her. I am totally terrified of her. So I'm not going to no mediation. I want this to go to court. I want 12 in the box for this divorce, or however they do it. You know, that's what I want. You know, let her lie to the judge. If the judge has any sense or anything or really cares about someone telling the truth, then I hope she orders her bank statements and it'll show everything. It'll show everything. Peace out. Be back with y'all. Thank you again for the medical staff and the doctors that's helping these idiots that don't want to wear masks. But you shouldn't work that hard for the ones that don't want to wear masks. Let them die. That's what the Republicans want. Their kids to die and all of them. So you shouldn't even help them no more. You shouldn't even help them. You shouldn't even help their kids no more. Because they saying don't wear masks, open up schools so this stuff could spread even worse. They don't care about nobody's kids. They only care about votes. That's all these Republicans care about is votes. So you get people in there that don't wear masks, just let them die. The hell with it. Let them die. They deserve to die. I have no sympathy for people like that that don't want to wear masks when the CDC is saying wear masks, stay distance. I have no sympathy for people like that. It's like I ain't got no sympathy for people that have AIDS. I don't got sympathy for people that drink. I don't have sympathy for people that uses drugs. I've been through hell and back in my life. I don't drink. I don't mess with drugs. I know I have a bad system. That's why I wear masks every time I go out. Come on, people, use your common sense. Oh, that's right. Half of society doesn't have common sense. Peace out. God bless you, nurses and doctors out there. I pray for y'all. I pray for y'all.